What's up, guys? It's February 29th, 2024. Pretty cool day. The next time I can say that's a leap year, so I think, right? Every 4 years. Yeah, that was nice. There was 2 legs lower and multiple legs higher, so catch a couple legs here and there and have a profitable day. I did something a little bit different today. You got the high, yesterday's high and low was missing because I wanted to see what it'd be like if I just projected it instead to see how the day would be. Not that it would be any different, but I just meant in terms of how would I think about the day. And it actually helped a lot. So I'm going to start, rather than always moving it, I'm just going to pull the fibs from the next day. Maybe get the 50% level if it's because it just helps so much. I don't know what it was. Like here, I wanted to go short or something right here. But I was like, well, we're trading above yesterday's high. And like, yeah, I had the green lines up before, but for some reason it just made more sense with the fibs that this is bullish because we're above that. Then this became more bearish. I was still short here because of this looked like a bear flag to me, but I'm gonna try this out for a couple of weeks and just this will be the high and this will be yesterday's low, and I'll keep calling it out until it's known because this is the first time trying it. And the whole time this was happening, when I went here, I was like, okay, I can see my targets clearly. That's here, that's here, that's here. And then it started to reverse. I was like, okay, well, it could be here, 50% level, and the blue line. And I held pretty good. I did all right today, so I'm going to keep trying playing with the fibs, and I'm going to leave them up like that. So it was a long-winded way of saying this is yesterday's high and this is yesterday's low. Big gap up, bar 1 is continuation. 3-bar pullback, it's a bear micro channel, kind of. Lots of back and forth, 3 pushes down. Bulls get a failed attempt at a second leg up and the market dumps. This is a double top. First 6 bars of the day are range bound. Really strong surprise bar. Surprise bars often get. I'm trying to hurry up here because I gotta go out soon. So my bad if I'm talking too fast. I apologize. Bear bar, double top. Now I'm out of breath. Bear flag, double top. This is kind of like a surprise. So surprises get second legs. I got short here and I got trapped, but I had one micro contract and my stop was up here. Trading micros and I really like it. I just scaled in right here, or maybe right here. I think I scaled in here, here, and then here, and then I just called it around here. So bear flag, double top, led to a second leg down and a good reversal bar. Bears failed to close the gap. And in the previous videos I was talking about, I've noticed like when this gap fails to close, sometimes it's a good reversal. And I missed most of this half of this move because of there was a guest speaker and I just wasn't really too pressed to trade because I caught a nice leg down with a couple contracts. I was long around here, thinking that we were going to vacuum up here, but I got trapped. I also got short here, but I was very quick to get out. Which I'm happy because I just bought back here because this is a wedge bottom 2-legged pullback. And yeah, so I'm kind of jumping around, my bad. So after these 3 bars, the bear flag breaks out, it gets its second leg, fails to close the gap. Bulls get a nice reversal bar. If you don't want to buy that, I understand because there's a lot of selling. I think maybe I would have bought a double bottom, but it just kind of happened because I was waiting for a test that never came. Bar 27 was a nice reversal bar, and you could go for a measured move if you bought it, but a lot of selling. Pull back into the EMA. They break the strong bear bar 26 is high, so I don't think that's good for the bears, and then they start to consolidate a little bit. This ends up becoming a bull flag, and it breaks out to the next bear swing here. The market goes sideways where it went sideways previously, and then bulls get a failed breakout. It becomes a 2-legged pullback. Well, leg 1, pull back leg 2, or it could be a wedge bottom is how I seen it. Pull back, something like this, 2, pull back here, and then it had a breakout, so breakout with follow through as well. This also is a bull flag right here, pull back, bears tried to break out, they failed to get trapped, 2-bar reversal, and then it's a bull macro channel until the projected move because this is a breakout of yesterday's range, so they're going to go for a measured move, and that was hit. I got out as this bar was turning down. Oh no, that's a bad circle. as this bar was turning down. So that was pretty cool. I like that trade. Let's go over the leg 2 moves. So here, I don't trade the first 30 minutes of the day, but that move failed for the bulls. They got trapped. Bulls that bought this high had an opportunity to get out, and you can see right when the market came to that high, they got out, and that created a double top. I made my lines a little bit lighter because today they were just like the bold red looks so menacing. So let me know if you guys can, if you want me to turn it back up. I guess I could just turn it back up a little bit. There, not 30. We'll do 30 there. That's not too bad. So double top, had a successful breakout. At this point in time, if you were going to go for a measured move, I would do it of the morning range, and that was met here. And then if you want to get this kind of measured move, I think you would have to wait for that pullback. And if you waited for that pullback, you got the measured move right here. So pretty nice. There's a two-legged move there. Here's a two-legged move here. This is more of a range-bound play, and it's double top. When there's a double bottom and a double top, it's best to wait for a 2-bar breakout. Here's 1 bar, 2-bar breakout, and you can scalp out here. If you were to do it like that, maybe your target could be like this, even like that. Or wow, so yeah, so the leg was met after the pullback, and this is the pullback I'm looking at. See, I made it bigger so you guys can see. Pullback, break, pullback, and it was met. So that's pretty cool. Sometimes these moves, like, really, I don't catch all these moves during the day. Like, I catch the obvious one. Like, I was in this trade because that was like an easy like eye for me. I caught this one because I saw this as a bull flag. I'm calling out all the measured moves I see, and sometimes I'm really like fascinated. Like, this trade is actually insane to me if you think about like the accuracy of it with the pullback trendline break, and it's a vacuum in a range, 2 legs. And then bulls get 3 legs higher here. So where are we? 2-legged move. I was about to just start talking again. First pullback, that's met. If you don't want to buy that, I understand. I didn't want to do it because it was under the EMA. This is the bull flag. It's a bear channel, not a very good one. See, there's the bear channel. Bull flag, bear channel, breakout. I haven't been talking about micro channels and gaps for a long time, but I hope you guys, I can start bringing them back up. I was using, when this swing low got put in, it helped me find my final PT, which was right here, which is why I got out as this candle was turning down, because we were around the high of the day and trading at the high of this channel. I didn't have the channel up until this swing low got put in. So yeah, that's why I don't know where I was going with that. So here's another breakout, pullback. It was met. I was in this and I saw this vacuum out, so when it started to reject, it was a pretty easy hit out. Here's another leg 1, leg 2 move. Another bing bang boom. Here's a pullback, leg 1, leg 2 move. This is kind of what I was looking at along with this channel. This channel kind of helped. It was pretty cool. Yeah, there's the leg 1, leg 2 moves. Talk about the market cycle. We're still range bound. We had a big up, big down, big up. So that's a range bound price action. But within the big down, big up, we had a broad bear channel and a bull channel too. That's pretty broad because bears made money here. They made money here. You have to be so fast to make money. It's always better to just go with the trend. I started buying after they started to clear this level here. And that's also partly because there was a guest speaker. And I was waiting for some sort of retest. It never came, but I still caught this. I did not mean to do it like that. I still caught this move. That just ripped away from me. I don't know what the hell that was. Anyways, market cycle. Yeah, so we were range bound, and that's pretty cool to think. Something that's been clicking with me is, since we know the market cycle, we can kind of start to anticipate what's coming next. So if we see like the trend, it's breaking out, and it's had some legs, I'm starting to be able to like, okay, maybe we're gonna just go range bound soon due to the market cycle. So right now we're range bound. It looks like the market cycle, or excuse me, it looks like the market tried to break out today. Bulls kind of got the close above yesterday, so on the bigger time frame chart, that is a close above a couple of days high. Wow, look at that trend line. It's being respected. This trend line, this daily trend line's like, it's pretty nuts. I don't know why it doesn't look like it's, are these the same trend lines? Because this one looks like it's good. This one looks like it's not good. I've been looking at this daily trend line anyways. I don't know. Hold on. Okay, I'm gonna delete the 45-minute one. Oh no. Okay. Yeah, they're the same. I don't know why it looks like that. Trend line is still being respected, so maybe we get a test of this high here and then it turned around, or maybe we test the previous bars high, or we did kind of test that high today right here. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. It's Friday. It's the first of the month. Hope you guys are doing good. Hope you guys are using your stop loss and studying. I appreciate all the comments. I'm about to get back to everyone right now. It's been a long day. Yeah, I had a pretty good trading day. Been alright these last couple of days trading macros. I'm really trying to limit myself to scaling in and just take trades for what they are. Hope you guys are making money and studying. Keep studying, keep watching the video content. Thank you for all the support and dropping all the comments. I really appreciate it. I drop these videos every day at 3 p.m. If you guys enjoy them, hit the sub button, drop comments, tell me if you like them, tell me if you don't like them. I'm gonna start trying this out for the next couple of days, and just so you guys see. So tomorrow it's gonna be like this, like that. Dang, I don't know if I'm gonna use the high tick though. That's kind of, I mean, technically, that's what I've been doing every day. So I'll do it like this, and then I honestly, if we're even being serious right now, if I'm doing this, I should add the 50% mark, because that's important. And yeah, I think this is how I'm going to play it, because this is still the high, this is still the low. We break out, we have a 50% bear target, 50% bull target. I really want to get consistent in the way I think about like 1, like 2 market cycle breakouts, prior day, previous day, how do they play together, because the more consistent we can think about it, the more consistent the thought process will be to take a trade. Anyways, I'm rambling on. Have a good one, guys. Thank you for the support. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.